Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 clock watchdog timeout error. First method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Exit and restart system. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Check any yellow driver error indicators in Device Manager. Right-click and update driver software. Fourth method is Memory Diagnostic in Windows search bar, click Windows Memory Diagnostic. Fifth method is open any browser, type Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 11. Click Download now. Open download file. Click Accept. Select ISO file, click Next. Click Finish. Open Windows ISO. Open Setup file. Check Install Windows 11 and keep personal files and apps. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.